Okay, so I was using my Notes app the other day. My Notes app. And it sent me a push notification. It said, and I'm not making this up, "You haven't journaled in 3 days. Don't lose your streak." My Notes app has a streak system now. My Notes app. And that's when I realized we are cooked. Every single app on your phone has been quietly transformed into a slot machine, and nobody said anything out loud about it. We just let it happen. So let's talk about it. It started, like most terrible things, with actually good intentions. Duolingo gamified language learning. Fine. People actually learn Spanish. Kind of. Fitbit gave you badges for walking. Also fine. That stuff made sense. But somewhere around 2018 or 2019, something flipped. The engagement mechanics bled out of the fitness apps and the language apps and into everything else. LinkedIn started showing you who viewed your profile like it was a dating app. Snapchat made streaks the entire emotional foundation of teenage friendships. And then, this is the one that broke me, Google Maps gave me points for leaving reviews. Points. For what? I don't get anything with these points. There's no store. There's no leaderboard that matters. It's just a number going up, so my brain goes, ooh. And that's the whole trick, right? Your brain doesn't know the difference between a meaningful reward and a fake one. Dopamine doesn't check the terms of service, it just fires. So app developers figured out, if we build in streaks, points, notifications, social proof, daily check-ins, we don't even need to have a better product. We just need to be stickier than the alternative. Now here's where it gets actually kind of dark. This isn't just annoying UX design. There's a whole industry, billions of dollars, entire teams of behavioral psychologists, dedicated specifically to figuring out how to make you unable to put your phone down. The term they use internally is engagement. Sounds neutral, right? Sounds like a metric. But engagement is really just a clean word for how long can we keep you in here before you remember you have a life? Variable reward schedules. That's the mechanism. It's the same psychology behind slot machines. You pull the handle, you scroll the feed, and sometimes you get something good, sometimes you don't. The unpredictability is what makes it addictive. If every post was great, you'd read them and leave. But because most of them are mid and occasionally something hits, you keep going, just in case. Instagram knew this, TikTok perfected it, and now every app from your bank to your grocery delivery service is trying to copy the model. Your grocery app has personalized recommendations now. It has a loyalty tier. It sends you a notification when your favorite items are on sale. Items it decided were your favorites based on surveillance. Sorry, based on your shopping history. Let me just run through the rogues gallery real quick. Duolingo. Look, I respect the hustle, but the owl has become a meme because the guilt mechanics are genuinely unhinged. That bird is passive-aggressive in a way that feels engineered by a trauma specialist. Be real. Literally built a 2-minute daily notification into the core product loop. The whole point is manufactured urgency. It's not authentic. It's scheduled authenticity, which is the funniest contradiction. Reddit. They added achievement badges to Reddit. A website where the culture was always, we are anonymous degenerates who hate corporations. And now you can get a little trophy for posting a lot. The irony is lost on no one. Fitness apps. The streak mechanic in fitness apps has gotten so aggressive that people are doing junk workouts just to protect a number. You're not getting healthier, you're protecting a streak. Those are different things. And then, the one I genuinely cannot believe, Spotify Wrapped. That's not a feature. That's a data harvesting campaign that your brain agrees to participate in because it's presented as a fun personality quiz. And it works every year. Every single year people share it. Me included. I'm not immune. And here's the thing people always say. Just put your phone down. Just have discipline. And look, I get it. Personal responsibility is real. But you have to understand, you are not fighting your own bad habits. You are fighting engineering teams that have access to more data about your behavior than you have about yourself, who spend 8 hours a day figuring out how to override your intentions. That's not a fair fight. When the notification sound is tuned to a frequency that triggers alertness, when the infinite scroll removes the natural stopping point, when the red notification dot is red specifically because red triggers urgency in the human brain, that's not willpower territory anymore. That's product design used as a weapon. And the worst part? It's not even mostly making the products better. It's just making them harder to leave. So where does that leave us? Honestly, I don't have a clean solution. Delete your apps, sure. Use grayscale mode, okay. Set screen time limits, and then override them the same night because you have weak character, like the rest of us. But I think the first step is just recognizing it. Every streak prompt, every notification badge, every "you're on a roll" pop-up, that's not the app caring about you. That's the app using the language of care to keep you inside it. Your Notes app does not care if you journal. It cares about your DAU, daily active user. That's you. That's all you are to these products. Anyway, that's the video. If you made it this far, genuinely appreciate you. Drop a comment if you've got an app that's tried to gamify your brain recently. I want to hear the cursed ones. And I'll catch you in the next one.